Hello everyone, I am Dr. Akanksha Rastogi and today I will talk about monsoon allergies. Rainy days can be allergy days for some people. Why does it happen so? It happens because there is increase in humidity levels during monsoon season, and when the rain falls, the pollens they break down into small pieces and it is carried everywhere by the air. In fact, I would say that monsoon season is itself an ideal breeding ground for germs, dust, mites, pollens, allergens, and in fact for the fungal infections. So, the common symptoms of these allergies are there could be recurrent sneezing, coughing, watering of eyes, itching all over the body, or there could be some hives or rashes on the skin, and in severe cases it can also result into respiratory issues. There could be breathing discomfort and symptoms similar to asthma. So there are certain ways how we can reduce our exposure to these allergens and pollens. So the most important thing about it is that keep your living space very clean and dry. Keep a proper ventilation at home. You can use mold resistant paints also at home, and those who are severely allergic, please go ahead with vacuum cleaning of the bedding and the sofas so that you can remove all kind of dust, pollens, mites and other kind of allergens. When it is very strong and windy outside, then keep your doors closed and keep your windows closed, and when you are at outdoor area, wear a mask to reduce the contact with the allergens. Practice a proper hand washing. A personal hygiene is very important. Apart from that, you can use dehumidifiers. If there is increase in humidity level, you can measure the humidity levels and you can use dehumidifiers at home. So these are the certain ways how we can reduce our allergen exposure. And how to treat it. In the treatment, you can use over-the-counter drugs like anti-allergics. Some of the anti-allergics are Allegra, levocetirizine. They are quite safe, so they can be taken easily till you meet your doctor. Apart from that, if you have any skin allergies or skin rashes, please consult your dermatologist. And inhalers are also available, nebulizers are also available, which are beneficial if you have respiratory symptoms or asthma like symptoms, but they all needs to be taken under a supervision of a doctor. So this is all about the monsoon allergies, and if you have any queries or you have any clinical symptoms similar to monsoon allergies, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.